Just wondering how to clean that. See? This is a finished result. Obviously it is a bit dusty at the moment. So I'll show you. It's this product. It is so easy to use that it's not exactly expensive neither. A couple of quid from a cheap shop. Basically a pound shop, basically. All you need is a bit on a sponge. Like this. On you go. Like this. And just round and round. See, it comes off that easy. I've done that edge. It is that simple. Bit more. And then just dry off. Obviously I'm doing one-handed, so I can't actually grab hold of the hand, because that's how I'm doing it, it's going up and down like this. So it's better if you've got a solid piece. I'm just holding the phone in my hand showing you this, so, and this is how good it comes up. So it literally comes up like this. Okay, that's how good it is. Okay, I can do a little bit extra here, but I haven't done that, but you can do it with a machine and machine it off, but it's just easy with one of these.